outside? He really wants to go out there because his friend Nico's out there. But it's super wet and rainy. Huh, Crayon?
Do you think you can open the door?
He's so short. Shows a leg. Crayon, can you
Usually
get
that's
it
what dogs do. Oh,
There's Artie.
here comes Artie, but he never goes outside.
Can you open it for me?
He's like, why do you want to go outside? It's cold out there. Freezing.
It's really cold. It's like 30 degrees today.
Hey, when are you going to go outside? Oh, sees I'm out. It's wet out there. I guess he'll go play. Thanks for watching. Artie says, I don't want to go out. No, don't let Artie out. Ooh, there's a jet plane.
No, Artie.
He'll be back. Thanks for watching.